Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. In this video, I have come up with the interesting concept of make you learn drawing very easily. I have used and I always think some easy techniques the way I can show you the drawing. My motto is that everyone can draw. Drawing will be so easy for all of you. Drawing is a passion and also drawing is a huge professions. In each and every field, if you go, there is an artist. So my today's video is an interesting topic, that is human figurative compositions. In my last video, I have shown stick figures to compositions, I mean basics. But in this video, I will show you how can create your own composition. Yes, your own you can create compositions. So before this video, I would like to tell you, you go and see my previous videos where I am showing the basics, stick figures. And this video is all about the compositions. So you listen what I am saying and you need to watch the full video. Once you see the full video, you can create a lot of drawings from your own. But as I tell always, don't copy my drawing. Learn from my drawing and create your own composition and send us. You know, Doremi is a platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. So without wasting time, let's see our drawing.
Figurative compositions, handicraft fair. Look students, this is a new concept where I have taken a photo and I am showing how I can create our compositions in very easy way. Look, I am using my stick figures technique in very easy way. So look, so this photograph is helping me to create my own compositions, but my learning, my skill is helping me to eliminate some things, to add some things, to make my composition easy and interesting. Look what I have got. I have got my compositions. So be with us and watch our full video how I am developing my compositions gradually. So this is the human figure I have drawn very easily. In this way, any compositions picture you can download from internet and you can make and create your own compositions in the simple way. Better you don't copy any drawing. Here also I don't want you to copy my drawing, my compositions, but better you learn how to create your own compositions. Okay? So look how I am doing the hand. Things are very simple. Okay, you have to just understand the blocks I am doing. Look, I am trying to make the drawing very simple but very effective. So easily I am doing everything. Same patterns for the eyes, for the mouths, but little bit changing in their dresses. Here we feel the different people are there. So watch the full video, you can see more compositions that will help you to create your own compositions. I don't want you copy any drawing. Okay, I want create your own composition. Better you use any pictures. So now this composition is child labor. Look, here I can see a girl is standing, but her face is not in the front. But in our composition, I want the face is in front. So how I am changing? So this way also you can choose any photograph from internet. I have taken this photo from internet, and you can work on the picture and you can create your own compositions. And you can see I am not copying, okay, I am just creating something new on that. So no one can say I am copying. You see, I have got the ideas. Now simply I am showing my skill. So this is also a skill. Look, the girl. So I am showing the girl. Child labor means the girl is not so rich, poor girl. So you can see the dress is not perfect. Okay, just watch very carefully and learn that you can also draw your own. Look, the human I am doing. So you have to know very nicely how to draw the stick figures. Very simple. Everything you need to follow very carefully. I know after watching this video, you don't have to depend on any pictures on somebody. Okay, you can create your own. Now I can add a background, so simple background. I have told my intentions, my motto is to show you drawing very simply, that everyone can draw. So these are the basics that you have to understand. Shadow, you can see one car. So now is save animal. Once again, same, I have chosen a photo from internet, and look here, girl is not looking at in front. So I want in my composition girl look at the front. Once again, I am just using some blocks. Look the dog, how I am simply drawing rectangle shapes. Now leg. Very simple, you just try to understand. The boy standing. Just I am drawing stick figures initially. Now I'll improve. Now I don't need any suggestions because I know I have learned how to draw the human figure. But this photograph is just helping me to create different compositions. Students especially cannot understand about the background. They can't understand how much figure will be longer, how much bigger, how will they compose. So I think after watching this video, this thing will be clear to you. Look how simply we can draw everything. Look very attentively, you can see in every compositions I am drawing the figure's face in front to make the drawing easy. But you have to draw the eyeball wherever the person is looking. it shows where person is looking. So you have to see how you have to draw, in which side you have to draw the eyeball. In here in this picture you can see the figure's face might be at us, but the eyes is in the dog. So look how I'm drawing the background so easily. Trees, I am doing everything. I have seen students face a lot of difficulties. They cannot understand where they will draw all the things, but look, if you know how to compose, you can do. Let's see some more example of compositions. This is voting booth. This is Durga Puja. There is a simple compositions farmer. This is a tea stall. This is Kamarshala, where iron tools is made. This is Happy Teachers Day. And this is a book fair. This is on Rath Yatra. And this is simple one, Rath Yatra composition. Now this is on Happy Independence Day. I hope you have enjoyed and got a clear idea about compositions. Now this is your time to create your own compositions and send us. Thank you.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.